So, hi guys! This is it! So, ayan na. So, this is actually the viral chocolate bar from Dubai. So, I actually don't know if the taste of this and the viral one in Dubai will be same. So, the moment of truth that we are going to taste, and I'm going to tell you guys my review about this, if this is really worth to purchase. But I know that this is actually different than the one in Dubai, but hello, it's just the same. What's inside here and what's inside the one in Dubai, it's just exactly the same. So let's open it. Let's go. I'm excited. Oh my god, this is how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. Ta-da! Oh my god, excited. So I actually ordered 2 bars. So I have to open this one first. Oh my god. I don't wanna break it for some reason. So it's actually like this from outside. It's actually not the same one, like, you know, with the coloring from outside like the one in Dubai, but why not? Let's do it. And then let's go. Oh my god, it's hard. Oh, ho, ho, ho. And this is how it looks from inside. This is the closer look, guys. So that's like that. And let's try it. Mmm. 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 So actually, the feeling inside of the crunchiness of that kunefi, it's really there. Like you can feel it, and you can like, it's like crunchy from inside. Well, it's not a special chocolate. It's just that there is the pistachio inside, which is the green one. Plus, there is this kunefi, the one like a hard noodles inside. So I guess that's why it gets viral from that. But to be honest with you guys, it's a chocolate. Nothing special. Well, it's actually worth of trying. This is from Cake Castle. 1 bar, it's 18 Qatari riyals. So if you want to try it, guys, you can visit their shop, and you can, or better to call them, because this is actually pre-order. So it's not available in their shop. You have to call them first to give your orders. That's it. Finally tried it.